My fellow realtors and brokers, let us discuss some reasons to join Remax Gold Realty. Doesn't matter if you are a new realtor or experienced realtor or a team or your brokerage is closing down or you are not satisfied with your brokerage. We have values, mission and work ethics which is very important, and it is also very important to research and evaluate the culture, mission and work ethics. In Remax Gold, we make sure that somebody is coaching you, very trained people, somebody is giving you mentorship, somebody is giving you market tips, and the most important thing is the administrative support. And it is also very important to receive a fair commission split for your hard work. And remember, locations are very important. So we have different locations across Peel region. Remax Gold has very good reputation in the industry or in the community. You can see our projects and you can see the completion of the commercial and residential projects, and you can well imagine the respect we earn, Remax Gold has earned from different community leaders and industry leaders. And remember, marketing and branding, you must know the art of marketing and branding. It will improve your success. It will give you boost. We have very strong brand of Remax Gold and we have market strategies for you. So you can attract more clients and you can close more deals. We will make sure. And one of the best thing we have in Remax Gold is the team environment, team cooperation. Whether you want to work in commercial, in farming, in lands, in pre-construction, we have all kind of teams. We are bringing new commercial projects. So please call me. My name is Irfan Baba Malik and I am broker in Remax Gold, and my number is there, but I tell you 416-890-6601. Let us sit together. Don't worry about anything. We will take care of you in all the aspects. So please call me. Thank you very much for your cooperation.